Hi, welcome back to the channel hardreset.info, and today I will show you how to schedule a post on X. So for this you should use your preferred browsing system instead of using X application. So log into your X account, and now in the bottom right corner of your screen you want to tap this blue plus button, and first of all you have to start composing your tweet as usual. So let's type something. And also you can add some photos or videos to your post if you want to. You can add some GIFs, or you can add a poll. And finally, to schedule a post you have to tap this calendar icon right here. And finally, this is the page where you can schedule your post, so you can set date. Let's select tomorrow, for example, tap done button, and also you can set a time, for example this, and when you are ready tap confirm button to save. And finally, when everything looks right and you're ready to publish your post, to schedule your post, tap schedule button in the top right corner, and you see that your post will be sent on the set time. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.